I'm James from Commodore Solar. Today I'm going to give you a run through our range of off-grid solutions. If it's off-grid, there's nothing that we can't design, build or deliver. We've been manufacturing off-grid systems for well over 10 years. Our systems are built to handle any kind of power need, from a small weekend shed to a large farm or commercial operation. Let's start with our power boards. These are wall-mounted electrical boards for indoor installations with a battery cabinet that sits underneath or besides the board. These are ideal for sheds, workshops or homes where everything can be installed safely inside. All of the hard work is done in our manufacturing facilities here in Shepparton, Victoria, so that once the board arrives on site, it's as easy as it possibly can be for the installing electrician to mount the board, connect the batteries, bring in the solar, connect the generator to complete the off-grid installation. Next is a power hub range. The main difference with a power hub is it's a fully enclosed weatherproof cabinet. It's all of the same equipment that you're seeing a power board, but in the cabinet. And this gives you a lot of flexibility to install inside or outside. Some of the other advantages of a power hub cabinet is that it keeps out dust, vermin, and it can be a little easier to control temperature as well, especially with some of the larger models come with a temperature controlled air conditioner. That's particularly important in the warmer parts of Australia. There are a number of different sizes in the range. So let's start off with the Power Hub Elite. This is our medium-sized Power Hub cabinet, and it's great for small to medium-sized homes. It supports between 3 to 10 kVA of inverter power, so it can handle 3, 5, 8 or 10. It has room for 25 kilowatt hours of batteries, 5 batteries, and up to 14 kilowatt of DC coupled solar. It's a neat, efficient package that delivers serious capability in a compact footprint. The next size up is a Power Hub XL cabinet, which is most commonly found powering large family homes. This can take up to 15 kVA of inverter power. It has room for 8 batteries, which is 40 kilowatt hours of battery storage, and can take up to 14 kilowatt of DC coupled solar. It's ideal for properties with higher daily loads or multiple air conditioners and appliances. Then we have the Power Hub Commercial. This comes in 2 main configurations. The first is an all-in-one cabinet. That's where we have the electrical equipment and the batteries together, such as this cabinet here. This setup typically delivers up to 30 kVA of 3-phase power. We can fit 12 batteries, which is 60 kilowatt hours of battery storage, and it can take up to 28 kilowatt of DC coupled solar. The second configuration uses 2 separate cabinets. That's where we have one cabinet for the electrical equipment and the other cabinet is for the batteries. This is designed for larger commercial and industrial sites where there's a higher power demand, so that requires more hardware, hence the reason for a dedicated electrical cabinet. In this dual cabinet solution, we can fit up to 27 batteries into the battery cabinet, which is 135 kilowatt hours of battery storage. This type of setup will typically have 45 kVA of 3-phase power, but we can also go up to 60 kVA and 90 kVA when required, and we can DC couple up to 42 kilowatt of solar with this solution. From simple setups to fully engineered commercial solutions, everything we build is designed, programmed and tested right here in Shepparton, Victoria. And for bigger applications, be sure to check out our off-grid containerized systems and solar skids, which are featured right here on our channel. Hopefully in this video, I've given you a good overview of the types of off-grid solutions that we manufacture. If we can be of any assistance with an off-grid project, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help.